respected dignitaries, and my dear brothers and sisters, good morning, one and all. As you all know, the Indian Scout Guide Fellowship was formed in the year 1959. With regard to Indian Railway Scout Guide Fellowship, the first unit representing Indian Railways, jointly started by Eastern Railway and South Eastern Railway in the year 1995. The approval for the official formation of Indian Railway Scout Guide Fellowship was obtained in the General Council meeting of Railway Scouts and Guides Board held on 15/1/2010 at Trichinopalli, Southern Railway during the All India Railway Jamboree.
Rajaraman sir, please speak up.
Hello.
Yes, Rajaram speaking.
Yeah, Solunga sir. Thank you so much for coming.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Be
Thank you.
friends and teachers, sir.
Everybody wish you
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. May I request Arunda to come on the line, please. Arun Chatterjee from Kolkata. May I request Samarendra Mukherjee from Kolkata.
Yes, I am Samar Mukherjee from Calcutta Eastern Railway. I am very happy to address our members this celebration of 25 years of our association. I am very old member. I joined before this association was formed. I was asked by my friend, my college mate R.K. Basu, the then president of the association. He asked me to join this association. He was retired additional GM, Southeastern Railway. At that time, he was president of the organization. He took me to Arun Chatterjee. Arun Chatterjee was at that time General Secretary. I was asked to take up the responsibility of treasurer from the very beginning, because their treasurer, D.C. Borat, he left the association.
Thank you, Samarda. Thank you so much. Thank you. We recorded your name. We deliver you in a video. Can I request Arun Chatterjee?
Thank you. I'm Mr. Becky. I am indebted to you for bringing me inside this fellowship scout, and I state secretary 5 to 6 years before. There was another organization named Forward Scout Fellowship. Forward Scout Fellowship was started in 1986 or 87. And that same time I was a secretary. Also, the same was there. Mr. R.K. Basu was there also. Now, there was after some time, we are working all right. Then it was announced that this will be changed in the name. The name will come to as Indian Scout Guide Fellowship, Eastern and Southeastern Railway. And so,
thank you. Thank you.
I thank you all the best. Then let our fellowship live long.
Thank you. Now we can watch a small video of Arunda and Samarda. Everybody, we are showing in a video. Please watch, everyone. My dear friends, greetings from Mekki. The Indian Railway SGF was first formed in 1995 by the Southeastern Railway and the Eastern Railway under the leadership of Arunda and also R.K. Basu, the then additional general manager of Southeastern Railway. Samarda was the treasurer throughout 16 years. So we watch a small video.
with the permission of our honorable teachers,
My dear friends, what you saw, the last man who played Ganga Tumi, the lead role, is none other than the recently he met with the death is Bishuda. He was so young at those days. Only a week back we lost him with the COVID. By praying for his soul to rest in peace, may I request Saikia ji to address the live show, please. Saikia ji, President of Indian SGF, Railway SGF.
Thank you, Mr. McKee. My fellowship greetings to everyone on the forum. First of all, I must say that I am really inspired to see so many veterans today who have been associated with Railway SGF and through that with the Indian SGF. I must thank at the beginning Mr. McKee and Diana Madam for egging me on to join this movement. And today I really feel proud that I am a part of this movement. I am that way new the SGF or be it India. For your information, I am BSG since 1991, and our principles are same, our ideals are same, and our goals are same. And it is really heartening to see that Railway SGF was formed so early, and it has also a glorious past. What we have seen in the video, and the persons who are there on the forum, I am really, I must thank years ago, like let us take a pledge that we will take it further. We will all join together and take the Railway SGF further, and through that the Indian SGF and the international SGF further. Railway is a very structured organization. Our Bharat Scouts and Guides is also a very structured organization and has been doing wonderfully well. And I am now very glad to know that even Railway SGF has a very, very glorious history. Thank you so much. for being present here and giving me this opportunity to share this moment with all of you. Thank you.